How fast can I get my site connected?
It's a good question. We've touched on some of those things, but there's a couple of core technologies. How fast? Well, I've seen people get them up as fast as 30
Mhm.
seconds. It's as how fast we could unbox it.
Yeah.
If the SIM's already in, you plug it in and you're up and running. But there's some things that help speed that up. So, for example, with our technologies, if you've got a template set up and the device is already in the
Mm.
group, it's zero touch. So literally, all you have to do is pick it out of the box, and we don't have external antennas. Now you can add them, but you don't need them because our antennas are fantastic interior antennas. So there's no screwing in antennas and all that kind of stuff. It's hot, pick it out of the box, plug it in to the wall, and let it boot up. And you can do that in 30 seconds. Now everybody talks about that as marketing, but truly, then you're getting a connection to the WAN, right? So to whatever provider you have. Um, and you're going to be providing the wireless connectivity all at the same time. So you've got the LAN side and the WAN side all in one package. And it's that easy. You don't have to do things like find the wiring closet, find the cable. Wait, I've got to set up a static IP for my ISP provider or whatever that is on the wired side. Um, it's really with zero touch, with wireless everywhere. It's really a fast setup, and that's why we talk about day one connectivity. Where we don't have to wait for a broadband connection or a wired connection. You can do it in 30 seconds, really.
Yeah, and just with our latest offering with the mesh, it makes it
Yeah.
right. It makes it even more ubiquitous now having Wi-Fi all over your house.
Yeah, so if you have a bigger
Yeah.
footprint or, bigger carpeted space or however you wanna say that, right? Let's say you go over the couple thousand feet and you've got 5,000 foot
Mhm.
office or house. Yeah, sure, you need the land side connectivity, right? And you just plug in a mesh, plug in one of our mesh
Yeah.
nodes.